My boy pulled up. Yes, sir. My Chevy look clean. Yes, sir. Let me take a picture next to Rick Ross. Thanks for the picture, Demir. Thank you. I'm gonna take a picture to him. Nice picture. But look, YouTube, got the trophies ready for tomorrow and stuff's going down. But we gonna wrap the box up. Dang, that mug got them short wheels. That big look, YouTube. Interior look good. Yeah, YouTube, that interior look good. He need a wash up, cause look at it. It's dirty. The gray one gonna win tomorrow. The brown car just pulled in. Parked by the not by the box, but over there where you can get enough space. Yes, sir. The brown car pulled in, y'all. Yes, sir. More cars, Pete pulling in. Yes, sir. More cars pulling in the Rick Ross house. Yeah, that's how the lineup go look for tomorrow. They got more cars pulling in. Act back. Yes, sir. Turn it around real quick. This how the lineup go look for tomorrow, YouTube. We at Rick Ross house right now. Setting up. Look at that interior. Y'all see it, YouTube. Don't play with us. Y'all see it, YouTube. Got Chicago. Yep. It's called that was playing music earlier. Get that sunroof, YouTube. Alright, GoPro. Never mind, YouTube. I don't got no GoPro. Get this one. YouTube, here go Rick Ross' other car. This is my favorite one. Y'all see Rick Ross' car. The lineup gonna look good. YouTube, the lineup gonna look good. Look at it. My bro lineup looking good. We got the brown car. That paint flick. Got Chicago. Two of Chicago's. YouTube, they got a gray box Chevy. Then this one. So y'all see it. It might go down tomorrow. So yeah, YouTube, more cars finna pull in. Yeah, YouTube, look at this lineup. It's a nice lineup. The High Wheel Rick Ross car show going down tomorrow. Y'all look at this, it's going down. That ain't real, that's fake, YouTube. Motor, look at this, YouTube. The motor. There go another car, YouTube, pulling in. Look at this paint. Y'all look at this one right here. Look at that red. Yes, sir. The truck right there, you only at the promised land, YouTube. We here though. Getting everything ready. Y'all see it. Look at this. Got the truck to match, YouTube. And the wheels. Y'all look at that. Look hard. Truck look hard too. Got Chicago. Y'all see it. Y'all see it, YouTube. Look at it. Look, YouTube. Look at this. This car hard. Y'all see it. Look. That's like Corvette interior, YouTube. Don't mind. Big good, too. That's the trophies. There you go. The brown car go in tomorrow, YouTube. It's going down. But we finna wrap these cars, YouTube. Yes, sir, YouTube. We wrap the cars up. Getting them ready for tomorrow. Yes, sir, YouTube. It's going down tomorrow. We wrap the red one up, too. I know y'all barely can't see it, but YouTube, we finna go to bed, though, YouTube. Good night. See y'all at the Big E Rick Ross at the High Wheel Rick Ross car show tomorrow.